In this video, we're going to show you how to schedule light shows using your mobile phone with your Tesla app. Open your Tesla app, find Schedule, and select it. In here, select Light Show. Now you can select which melody you want, the volume, and whether you want to start the light show now or schedule it. If you want the charge port, mirrors, and windows to play a part in the show, you need to stand close to your vehicle. If you want, you can create your own Tesla light show. To find out how to create a custom Tesla light show, you can select the link, and a GitHub with instructions will open in your web browser. When ready, select the Confirm button. So this is how you can schedule the Tesla light show using your Tesla app. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.